Serta Simmons is saying goodnight to a 122,000 square foot factory in Jamestown, New York, a move the company says will take place in the next few months and impact 84 employees. According to Furniture Today, the plant closure is the second one that's been initiated by Serta Simmons so far this year. The company announced in May that it would shutter a Moreno Valley, California plant that employed 180 workers, a site that was built during an expansion plan and has only been operational since 2018. And while 2025 has been rough for the company and its workers, it's not exactly the beginning of a trend toward facility consolidation. The New York closure announcement marks the 8th plant shutdown for Serta Simmons since 2022. The company recently told Furniture Today that these moves underpin efforts to, quote, build a best-in-class supply chain, which means optimizing its manufacturing footprint and creating operational efficiencies by expanding some operations and closing others. The company added that, quote, these decisions are never easy, and we are supporting impacted employees through the transition. The plant's production work will be spread out among 3 other Serta plants, bringing the company's footprint in the United States and Canada to 16 factories. According to The Street, the U.S. mattress and bedding industry has experienced a rocky year and a half, and recent numbers point to further slowdown. Citing the International Sleep Products Association, they say Q1 sales in the industry slid more than 11% year over year. Serta Simmons has most certainly been impacted by these trends and was emerging from a 2023 bankruptcy filing as the industry posted these declines. Simmons Bedding Company was founded in 1870 and was reportedly the first company to mass produce woven wire mattresses. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.